Once upon a time, in the bustling city zoo situated in the heart of the ice world, there lived a playful little baby ice bear named Ted. Ted has a special power, the ability to talk to humans. With his fluffy white fur and sparkling blue eyes, Ted quickly became the center of attention for all the visitors in the zoo. Ted was full of energy and always finding ways to entertain the guests and make them smile. However, there was a mischievous antagonist lurking around the zoo named Ziggy. Ziggy loved to play pranks on the other animals, causing chaos and confusion wherever he went. One day, when Ted was busy trying to juggle snowballs to impress the crowd, Ziggy decided to play a trick on him. The sneaky aunt snuck up behind Ted and tickled his paws, causing Ted to lose his balance and tumble into a pile of snow. The visitors laughed, thinking it was all part of Ted's act. But Ted was embarrassed and upset. Feeling defeated and downcast, Ted retreated to his cave, unsure of how to handle Ziggy's antics. It was then that he remembered he had a special power, the ability to talk to humans. With a newfound sense of determination, Ted decided to seek help from his human friends who worked at the zoo. Ted shared his troubles with the kind zookeepers. Together, they came up with a plan to outsmart Ziggy and put an end to his pranks once and for all. On the day of Big Showdown, Ted and his animal friends worked together to set up a series of clever traps to catch Ziggy in his own game. When the mischievous Ziggy fell for their trickery, he found himself entangled in a web of his own making, unable to escape. As Ziggy sat trapped, Ted approached him with a smile, offering his paw in friendship. Ziggy, realizing the errors of his ways, apologized for his misdeeds. Ted forgave him, knowing that everyone deserved a second chance. And so, with Ziggy's help, Ted and his friends continued to entertain and delight the visitors of the city zoo.